Hello everyone, welcome back to Cool Product. If you are a photographer, a videographer, or a content creator who deals with a mountain of footage daily and needs a fast, reliable way to move files from your camera cards to your computer, you are definitely looking for the best USB 3.0 card reader. This compact powerhouse makes file management incredibly seamless. Let's get started. When you are coming home from a long shoot with multiple cameras, waiting hours for large files to transfer or swapping out adapters can completely halt your workflow. That is exactly where the Ugreen USB 3.0 card reader steps in to streamline your production. This versatile device is engineered with an all-in-one layout that supports 4 major formats, including standard SD, micro SD, CF, and MS cards. This means you can manage different cards from your drone, action camera, and DSLR without needing multiple individual hubs clogging up your desk. The performance is backed by a high-speed interface that handles massive data streams with absolute ease. The Ugreen USB 3.0 card reader delivers rapid data transfer rates of up to 5 Gbps, allowing you to move high-resolution images and massive video clips quickly and efficiently. What truly makes this a lifesaver for creative professionals is its unique capability to read and write all 4 different cards simultaneously, eliminating the tedious need to constantly plug and unplug your media cards. Future-proofing your storage workflow is effortless thanks to its expansive system compatibility. The Ugreen USB 3.0 card reader fully supports high-capacity memory cards up to 2 TB, keeping pace with the rapidly growing storage needs of modern high-definition cameras. Whether your production environment runs on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, or Chrome OS, this device offers instant plug-and-play convenience, letting you connect to any laptop or desktop computer immediately without downloading extra software or drivers. Portability and practical layout choices make this hub an essential addition to any mobile gear kit. The Ugreen USB 3.0 card reader features a highly compact body measuring a mere 2.17 by 2.68 by 0.59 inches, allowing it to slide into the smallest pockets of your camera bag. It comes equipped with a built-in 1.7-foot cable, which provides just enough flexibility to connect comfortably to back-facing computer ports or elevated laptop stands without putting stressful tension on your workstation setup. By combining high-speed performance, multi-card compatibility, and a ruggedly portable build, this accessory delivers an incredibly efficient data solution. The Ugreen USB 3.0 card reader eliminates the daily friction of data management, ensuring your media files are backed up safely so you can get back to creating. Whether you are editing at your primary home studio desk or backing up critical event footage on a train midway through a trip, it stands out as a dependable asset for any digital workflow. Upgrade your file transfer speeds and take total control over your creative media today. Check the price link in the description to find out where you can get your hands on this ultimate card reader right now. Like and subscribe to Cool Product to stay updated on the best studio accessories and smart tech guides. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Shoot creatively, back up your data safely, and I will see you all in the very next video. Goodbye.